Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here, and I found a gray tree frog. He's out on our porch this morning, hanging out on a stick. He looks really happy. I've been hearing a frog for a couple days out here on our back porch, and I couldn't find him, and I finally found him, and he's here on our stick, so I think that's pretty cool. And I love little tree frogs because they're good for our environment, and they like to eat bugs. They're one of the best amphibians. I think they're so cute, and they always have like a little happy smile. And he's just like chilling out here. Because I guess this is where he snacks. He's pretty big. He's about a finger length long. He's really, really cool. See if I can touch him. He might jump though. Oh, there he went. Okay, here he is. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.